Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Abbott, Culinary Director for Sur La Table, and welcome to On the Table. Today I'm making chocolate lava cakes. The trick to getting that ooey-gooey center, it's all in the timing. To start, I'm going to place a heat-safe bowl over a saucepan of simmering water. Make sure that your water does not touch the bottom of your bowl. I'm going to add in my butter and my bittersweet chocolate. I'm melting it gently over this water bath so that I don't scorch my chocolate. If you prefer and you have a microwave, you can always melt your butter and chocolate together. Just heat it in 20-second increments, stir in between, and do it again. Stir occasionally until it's completely melted. All right, just about there. Just going to turn my heat off while those last few pieces melt. Perfect, this looks nice, glossy. I'm happy. Okay, carefully take this off of your simmering water. There could be some steam. Set this aside. While this is cooling, it's on to the next step. To a large bowl, add a whole egg and an egg yolk, and your sugar, and a pinch of salt. Always a pinch of salt for good measure. And start beating. Start beating this on medium, then increase to medium-high speed. And then again to high once it starts coming together. You're gonna beat this for a couple of minutes until it's pale, light in color, and very fluffy. I tip my bowl to the side a little bit so those beaters can really get in there and aerate the eggs. All right, see how these have almost doubled in volume. They're much paler in color. And you can see trails of those beaters as I move it around. We're almost there. You're on the right track. This is what's going to give the lava cakes all their volume and their structure. All right, I'm gonna decrease to low. Get all that off. Yep, this is what I'm looking for. Slow moving ribbons like that. That's when you know you're ready. Set this aside. Okay, I've got my cooled chocolate mixture. It's still a little warm. We just don't want it hot. Add this to the eggs. Get all of that out of the bowl. Okay. Just gonna give it a little stir first. I'm gonna stir this just a little bit. Great. And now mix it on low just until thoroughly combined. Give the sides a good scrape. Get the bottom, make sure it's all together. This looks perfect. And now I'm going to fill my buttered ramekins. I like to use a ladle for this step because it helps me divide the batter between the two ramekins. Okay, these look pretty darn even. And right into a preheated oven. Oh, these are perfect. See how the edges are set, but the middle is still wobbly? Perfect. Okay, the moment of truth. Take an offset spatula or a thin butter knife, run it around the edge, like so, just to loosen the cake. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my hand, because these ramekins are hot. Set it in my hand like this. Place your plate. And now we're going to flip with confidence. Let's see. Oh. Oh my gosh. Even though a little bit stuck inside my ramekin, I I don't care, this is perfect. The edges are set. I'm gonna crack into it. Oh, look at that custardy lava center. This is perfect. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh my gosh. It's exactly what I want it to be. It's like chocolatey, decadent custard. I would serve this warm. It's gotta be warm to have that lava flow with raspberries and a little dusting of powdered sugar. Perfect. Enjoy.